All right, guys. As we got to know, now we have conversation lesson. So we have Kaimuk online and Prao. Kaimuk, can you hear us?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Prao, what about you? Prao? Okay. Let me check.
Yes.
Ton. Okay, Ton is a Tata. Tata? No. Opor? No, Opor is not online yet. Okay. He? Otto? Oh, Fianfu? Okay. Cao Klong? Okay. Alex? Matthew? Bass? Online? Dean? Lawan? Okay. Win? Okay. Pat? And Pang? That's it? I missed someone? I think I missed you, right? Huh? Kaklong. Oh, okay. Kaklong. Okay, good. All right. All right, guys. Nice to meet you all. So today we're going to discuss about technology and communication. Okay. So first of all, just a moment. Let me share my screen. Here we are. I want to see if you can. Okay. Can you see my screen? It's not. But
Sure. Auto present.
okay. Okay. Thank you.
Teacher, Pang present.
Also here. Okay. Yes, I can see. Just a moment, please. No. Sorry, I'm trying to. Not possible. I don't know, there is something. So if we can do this way. Yes, no? Oh, it's very difficult. No. Oh, but it's not. I can see it on the left side. So, can you see now, right? Yeah. Guys online, can you see my screen?
No.
You cannot see now, right? Oh, I guess then. Huh? I shared screen, but they can't see. They can't. They can't. I don't know. When I move, I can. But if I move this side, if I move this side, they can see my screen. Now you can see my screen, right? You see the green color. They can see. But when I move to another side, I cannot. They cannot see.
Sure, I can see now.
Yes, I understand. You can see now.
มาดูหน่อยถ้าเปิดช่วยหน่อยได้ไหมช่วยไม่ได้แชร์
Yeah, okay, if we go here, that is screen. That's it. Okay, monitor, right? Yes, monitor. Here. Side. I cannot. This. I can change them, but I cannot put inside. See? Oh, the stop. Okay. Now, but this for Zoom. That is for Zoom. This one is for Zoom. They can see my desktop now.
If you want
But
share up,
huh?
ในสกรีนแล้วก็ค่อยเปิดเอาไว้
Yeah, this one is the page. But when I move, it disappears. They cannot see. See? When I move here, they can't see. They can see share.
ถ้าเขาย้ายมาเขาไม่
ไม่ต้องแชร์เข้าไปในไฟล์ปกติ
I don't know what's the problem now. Goodness.
กูไม่เป็นไร
อยู่ของรัสเซีย
Now I can, yes. But this one cannot do anything.
Hello, monkey, zoo, kangaroo, crocodile.
Oh no.
Lion, tiger, gorilla,
No, cannot.
acrobanana, camel.
คืออ่านไม่ออก
Okay. Okay. Finally, guys. You can see everyone here, right? Okay, even I can see myself. Okay, so today we're going to talk about technology and communication. Okay, means of communication. Could you tell me what means of communication do you know? Means of communication. Huh? Guys, what means of communication? It means what types of communication do you know? How can we communicate to each other? Number one is phone, right? Okay. Any other? Any other? Guys online, you can also join us. How can we communicate? We can use computer. Okay. Some special programs. Huh? If, for example, I have computer, how can I talk to you? Huh? Oh, Facebook, social, that's called social media, right? Okay, Facebook, Line, okay. What else? What's that? Disco, Twitter, oh, okay, Twitter. Okay, let's look at this at the means of communication. So we can use a telephone, we can use fax machine. Do you know what? Have you ever seen fax machine? Huh? Where? Morse code. Fax machine. Do you know the fax machine? This one? It's like now we don't use, but it's quite old. It's already old. Like fax and pager, they are old means of communication. If we want to send some paper, for example, we want to book a hotel room, right? So we type on computer, we go to fax machine, call the number, and put the paper inside. It's like scanning, okay, and sending to another fax machine at another end of, like, at the destination point, okay? So that's how people before they were communicating through the fax machine, especially that for documentation. Pager. Have you ever seen pager? Yes? Okay, why? What is used for pager? Pager is used for to send messages, right? You call to a number, special number, and you ask to leave a message to that number. Okay, so that's how pager worked before. Or you could type, sometimes you could type a message, right? But now we have everything in one device. Which one? We have fax machine, we have pager inside, we have internet inside. We can even type letters inside. So what is that? One. What is that? One device. Smartphone. That is called, yeah, we can say phone, or we can say smartphone. Smartphone because it's smart. It can do many things, right? It can take photos. You can type, you can write a letter, right? You can chat to your friends. You can post your photos online, right? So that's why that is called smartphone. Okay, can do many things at a time. And also definitely we always use satellites. Do you know satellite? Huh? What is satellite? Huh? Yeah, that is a station. That's some space station which transfer signals, right, to the Earth. So we send signals to the satellite. It reflects and comes back to the Earth. That's how we get GPS, right? GPS location. Okay, good. Now, what I would like you to do, I want you to use 3 words. Number 1, often, sometimes, and never. Okay? Often, sometimes, and never. And you have to make sentences. Look at the options. For example, call friends, send a fax, send or receive, okay? A fax, a message, an MMS, an SMS, an email, news, and find information. let's look at these three examples. I often call my friends. I sometimes, I've never did something, okay? So who can make some sentences, guys? Wanna try? Huh? Okay, let me ask Kaimuk. Kaimuk, could you make 3 sentences, please? Kaimuk.
Yes. What did you just say?
Yeah, could you make 3 sentences? You can use words often, sometimes, and never. And you can use these words.
I have never called my friend before.
I've never called. No, look, I often call my friends. I never, for example, you can say, I've never sent it, what? A fax. For example, you can say, I've never sent it a fax. Or an MMS, maybe, okay?
Oh, I just.
Got it?
Okay.
Uh-huh.
I often call my friends. I've never sent a message.
Which one?
What?
You can say, I've never sent an MMS, or I've never sent it SMS, I've never sent it a fax. Okay? I sometimes send messages. You see? These are the examples. We can't say like I've never sent it messages. Is it okay? Huh? Yeah. Okay, guys, let's try to make some sentences. I often. What do we do? I often. Come on. I often.
I often call my friends.
Okay. I sometimes.
Send messages.
Okay. I've never.
Send an MMS.
Okay. I've never sent it an MMS. Okay, good. All right, guys. We try. Yes, you can use I often and choose an option. No, call my friends. It's already here, so you can use another option. No, I often. What do you do often? Like maybe send messages. Maybe use internet. Okay. I've never. Oh, okay. I've never sent it an SMS. Okay. All right. Let's do one more. Who wants to try? Who want to try, guys? Point full. Let's try. Yeah. Make 3 sentences. I often. You can say read news, for example, or you can say like receive news. I often receive news. You can use like receive and news here. Okay. I've never sent it SMS or MMS? SMS. Oh, MMS. Okay. All right, guys. This example, how can we do that? Now, page number 70. Page number 70, guys. Here we have an article, Greetings from Planet Earth. First of all, what I would like you to do, describe the creature in the picture. Okay, do you think he's an alien? Is he dangerous or friendly? How can you tell? How can you tell? And do you think there is life on other planet? Okay, let's answer one by one. Describe the creature in the picture. What can you say about this creature? Look at the face. This is the creature. Could you describe it? Alex, let's describe this creature. Yeah, what can you say about it? Yeah. Do you think he's alien? Do you think he's an alien? Huh? So like alien, right? So say I think he's an alien. I think he's an alien. Okay, why? Why do you think he's an alien? You can see a UFO. Okay. But what about this creature? How do you know it's an alien? Yeah, look. Just talk about this. Like about appearance. Yes. Talk about appearance. He has. You can start your sentence. He has what? He has brown skin. Okay. What else? Huh? Yeah, it's good. It's good. So you can, as you can see, now you start thinking, right? What to say? What to say? You can start sentence by he has. He has brown skin. Okay, what else? Talk about neck, for example. Long neck, long and thin. You can say thin. Long and thin neck. Talk about head. He has. What about head? What can you say about head? It's not big. You can say very big head, like for example, right? You can exaggerate a bit. Okay. Huh? Talk about eyes. Talk about nose. Talk about mouth, lips. Okay. Talk about eyes. I don't know. Like in our question, you have to base your answer on the question. Okay. Look. Read the question. Is he dangerous or friendly? Okay. So from here, from the question, we get information about the personality, right? So how to know? That's the answer. All right. What else? What can we say? He's friendly. Why? How do you know it's friendly? He's not dangerous. Okay, why? How can you know? How do you know that? Oh, actually, what you can say, he has friendly eyes, right? When we look at the face, right? You can say he has friendly eyes. Yes. And his face is friendly, right? I think he's not dangerous. All right. Do you think, guys, do you think there is life on other planet? Yes? Why? Why do you think there is life on another planet? I'm sorry, could you just speak a little bit loud? Oh, because there are many planets in the universe, right? And there is a possibility that there is another life in one of them, right? Yeah, well, most probably you are right. Who knows? Okay, guys, let's look at this creature. Who is that? That is E.T., the extraterrestrial. Have you ever watched this movie? Have you ever watched that movie? That is of Steven Spielberg's movie. Okay, the creature isn't an alien. It's E.T. from the science fiction film E.T., the extraterrestrial by Steven Spielberg. It is a creature from another planet who comes to Earth and gets left behind by accident. He is friendly and he makes friends with a young boy who helps him get back home. I think there is life on other planet. This is the way how we can answer, right? Okay, perfect. Now, before we'll move to another exercise, I would like you to look at the vocabulary. Guys, so who's online? Just a moment. Can I ask Otto? Otto, could I ask to read these words? What the meaning of human race? Otto.
Yes, all the people in the world considered as a group.
Space exploration. Guys, look at the words, okay?
The exploration, the activity of searching and finding out about the empty area outside the Earth's atmosphere.
All right. Launch.
The launch to send something out, such as a new ship into the water or a spacecraft into space.
All right. Spacecraft.
Spacecraft,
Vehicle.
Vehicle is a vehicle used for travel in space.
Okay.
Mission. An important job is
Especially
especially a military one
Military,
that
it means soldiers, you know? Military, it means soldiers.
yes, one that someone is sent somewhere to do.
Okay. Transmit.
transmit to something or to send out carry signals using
Radio
radio,
or television?
radio, or
Television, etc.
television.
Inhabitant,
Inhabitant, a person or animal that live in a particular
particular
place.
place. Good.
Couldn't make of gold.
Okay.
Time capsule, a container that is filled with object
Consider
considered to be typical of the person
period.
period in history and then burned so that it can be dug up and studied much later.
Okay. Represent
That pretend to show or describe something or someone. One, a
whale.
very large sea mammoth that breathes air at the top of
Its head. Yeah, a whale. It's a very large sea mammal that breathes air through a hole at the top of its head. Desert island.
Desert
Island.
Iceland.
No, we do not pronounce
ice-
S. Just a moment, Oro. No need to pronounce S. Island. You say desert.
Island.
Yes.
An island is especially in a warm region where no people live.
Okay.
Solar system, the sun and the group of planets that move around it.
And last one, greet.
Greet, to welcome someone, the particular words and or a particular action or to
React.
to something in the started way.
Okay, guys. Thank you, Oro. Thank you very much. Okay, so the next one, what are we going to do? Read the time. Let's listen to the text, okay? Because we are limited now. Time is flying so fast. So let's listen to this audio.
Reading 6A, Exercise 1B, page 70. Greetings from planet Earth. Is there anyone out there? From the beginning of time, the human race has looked to the stars and asked this question. Today, technology makes space exploration possible and allows us to search for an answer. In 1977, NASA scientists launched Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. The two spacecrafts were on a mission to find out more about space and transmit the information back to Earth. They also carried a message to inhabitants of other planets. This message came in the form of a golden record, like a time capsule. It was difficult to decide what to put on the record. Scientists wanted it to represent all the people, languages and species on our planet. So they included information in writing, pictures and sounds that tell the story of planet Earth. There are greetings in 55 languages, as well as sounds like thunder, whale song, and even a mother's kiss. There are 115 photographs and 90 minutes of music from around the world. Carl Sagan, a scientist on the team, said that it was like a message in a bottle from a desert island, and that it would carry something hopeful about life on our planet. Nobody has answered the message yet, but as Voyager 2 is about to leave our solar system, it still has a long way to go. Who knows? ET might just be waiting to greet our messenger.
All right, guys, there are some questions, okay? On the same page, exercise number 2. So the first question, how many spacecraft did the NASA scientists launch to space in 1977? Which one? So 3, 2, or 1? 2, which one? Huh? Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. Okay, good. Good one. So next, why did the NASA scientists launch a spacecraft? A, they wanted to find new friends in space. B, they wanted to learn more about space. And C, to find new planets for people on Earth to move to. What do you think? They wanted to B. Okay, could you support your answer for B? B, it's like they wanted to learn more about space. Huh?
Learn more about space.
They want to learn about space. How do you know? Would you? Yeah.
The story tell that.
I'm sorry, Kaima?
The story tell that.
They already. It's a bit noisy. I'm sorry. Could you repeat again?
They already tell that.
Okay. Okay. They wanted to learn more about space. Okay. Number 3. What was the other function of this spacecraft? To take a message from planet Earth to life on other planets. B, to bring a message from the people of other planets to planet Earth. Or C, they wanted to find new planets to live on. To take message, you think A, right? Huh? To take a message from planet Earth to life on other planets. Huh, guys? See? Okay. They wanted to find new planets to live on. See. Oh, okay, guys, I'm very sorry. It's really time now. Okay, we have to stop here. There is no homework for today. Okay, but you can go through this through this article. Okay, and answer these questions. Find the answers in the article. So thank you very much, everyone, and thank you everyone, and have a nice day. Bye bye, guys. Kaimuk, thank you for a great job.